In this ShotCut tutorial, I will show you how to create a vertical split screen video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in ShotCut. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, I've brought 3 clips into ShotCut, and for convenience these clips are all the same length. So I'm going to just drag a clip into track 1 and we'll go back to the beginning using this back button here. Left click on filters, it's down here, and then left click on the plus sign. And make sure you've got videos selected. What you're looking for is something called crop. Left click on this. Now, depending on how many clips you need will depend on the calculation. So because I'm going to put 3 in, I'm going to type in the left side 640 and in the right side 640. Now, yours will be different. I think 2 clips would be 480. Other than that, you might have to do some calculations yourself. Okay, now I want to bring this clip to the left hand side. So what I need to do is look for the little plus sign and left click on this. What you're looking for is size, position, or size and position. So left click on this, and it should already be set up so that it actually comes to the left hand side. If you want to change this, you're going to have to press left click on the size fit button and then left click on the right, but we're going to leave this on the left. So this would be the standard setup. I'm going to right click next to the video clip and I'm going to add a video track. I'm going to come back to the playlist and I'm going to bring another clip in, bring it to the beginning and snap back to the beginning again. And again, go into filters, press plus, crop, and again type in 640 and 640 in the left and right hand side, and I'm happy with that. I'm not going to do anything. I don't need to change anything. I'm going to go back to the playlists and I'm going to bring in, no I'm not, forgot one thing, you need to add another track. So right click next to your video and then add a video track. Then bring your clip into the timeline, snap it to the beginning, we'll go back to the beginning, then filters, left click on the plus sign, left click crop, and again 640 in the left side and 640 in the right side, and we're going to go plus and look for size and position. Left click on this, and then rather than the fill box fit, the dot in the fill box, left click on the fit, and then next to horizontal fit, left click on the right, and you should have something that looks like this. Hopefully that will help somebody. I won't go into rendering, like I said at the beginning. I assume you know a bit about video editing in ShotCut. The only thing I would say is you can kill the audio here, so if you don't want the audio playing on the one of your tracks or your first track, you can kill it. You can also add audio, but that's down to learning a bit more about OpenShot. So I think this will do. So hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.